It's a lot easier to understand what's going on with the oscilloscope when it's hooked up to a function generator. So we've got our output from our function generator coming to our input on the oscilloscope, and we're seeing a signal on the screen here. Now let's play with some of our controls. So the function generator right now is set to sine wave, but we could change that to a sawtooth wave, and we get this nice triangle sawtooth wave. And we can change that to a square wave. We can change the amplitude. That changes the peak-to-peak voltage we see here. So we can turn it up, we can turn it down. And if it's low like this, and we want to expand the scale, we can use the controls here to make the scale smaller or larger. Right now, my function generator is set to 1000 hertz, and I've got a multiplier of 1. So the frequency should be 1000 hertz. We can look on our display, and it's telling us the frequency is about 1000 hertz. And if we increase this to 2, the frequency increases to about 2000 hertz. And you can see we're getting more cycles in the same time period. And if we increase it even more, we get more cycles in the same time period. The frequency is higher now. But if we want to spread this out, we can change the time scale on the oscilloscope. So now we can zoom in and see the cycles a little more clearly by changing the scale. And maybe your scale is just way off and you don't know where your signal is. Just push the auto set button and the oscilloscope will bring you right back to where it thinks you want to be. You might want to fine tune this a little bit, but it'll get you very close. So we select the frequency here, the multiplier to fine tune it, what type of wave we want, the amplitude, and it displays on the oscilloscope voltage on the vertical axis, that's electric potential, and time on the horizontal axis.